red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets, and first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. Kids now H. The alphabets of H, and use blue color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. Kids now O. The alphabets of O, and use yellow color. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. Kids now V. The alphabets of V, and use black color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for telephone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids now numbers, and first state of 1, and use blue color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Kids now 6. The numbers of 6, and use yellow color. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. It's now 11. The numbers of 11, and use red color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. It's now 16. the numbers of 16 and use green color. Green color. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is 19. This is 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.